Chapter 6 Linear Inequalities. Exercise 6.3. Question number 9. The inequality is given as 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 20. X is greater than or equal to 1. Y is greater than or equal to 2. Taking up the points for this inequality, x0 and y0, the points are 0, 10 and 4, 0. Plotting the points 0, 10 and 4, 0 for the first line, and as equality sign is there, all the three lines will not be the dotted lines. Now for shaded areas that we have to take it. For the line 5x plus 2y equal to 20, selecting 0, 0, putting in the inequality, it satisfies the inequality. Therefore, towards 0, 0, it is to be shaded. X greater than or equal to 1, drawing the line, vertical line passing through x equal to 1, as it is greater than 1, so it will be shaded towards right side of 1. Y equal to 2 will be the line passing through or will be perpendicular to y axis passing through 2. Y is greater than or equal to 2 means the shaded area will be above the point 2. Now if we see the common area being shaded for all the three lines, it will be this triangle which will be the common area, because all the arrows are pointing towards this triangle and this becomes the intersection of all the three lines, or we can say common region for all the three lines. 10th one is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60 is one of the inequality. Second one is x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. And x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. These two inequality means that we have to take the shaded area only in the first quadrant, as both x and y are positive. Now taking up the points x0 and y0 and calculating the corresponding y and x, we get one of the point as 0, 15, another point as 20, 0. So plotting it 15, 0 and 20, 0, drawing a line. Then for the second inequality 0, 10 and 30, 0, again drawing the line, and then going for intersection region or the common region. For that, for both the lines we will select 0, 0. So both the lines satisfies the point 0, 0. So the shaded area will be towards 0 for both the lines, and as it is only for the first quadrant, so this is going to be the common area. We cannot take it beyond the first quadrant while shading it. So this is a common area for both the lines. 11th one, three lines are given here. First inequality is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. Taking 0, 0 and finding out the y and x value, we get one of the point as 0, 4, another as 2, 0. Taking up the second inequality, x plus y less than or equal to 3, again taking 0, 0, we will get the points 0, 3 and 3, 0. Third inequality is 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. So taking x equal to 0, we'll get y as minus 2, and taking y as 0 and calculating it, will get x as 3. So now drawing the lines for first one 0 4, 0 4 and 2 0, it is being connected, and here dotted lines are not to be drawn because all the inequalities are having equal to sign. Drawing the second line 0 3 and 3 0 and taking up the third line as 0 minus 2 and 3 0. Now for the common area, we will be selecting 0 0 for the first line, but 0 0 will not satisfy this inequality as 0 is greater than or equal to 4 is not true. So for the first line, it is opposite side being shaded other than 0 0 side. For the second line, if 0 0 is taken up, it satisfies the inequality. So towards 0, the arrows are being drawn. And for the third line, taking up 0 0, the inequality is getting satisfied. So again towards 0, the arrows are being drawn. So if you draw the arrow and find it out, this triangle region is the common ones or the intersecting region of all the three lines. 12th one, there are total 4 inequalities being given. The first one is x minus 2y less than or equal to 3. So taking x as 0, y value will be minus 3 by 2. Taking y as 0, x will be equal to 3. Plotting the point, minus 3 by 2 is minus 1.5. So taking up minus 1.5 between minus 1 and minus 2. On y-axis, 3 0 is a point on x-axis. Drawing the line and selecting 0 0 for which side is to be shaded. 0 0 satisfies the equation, so towards 0 0 the arrows are being made pointing towards 0 0. Second line is 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. Taking x 0, y is 3. Taking y 0, x becomes 4. Plotting the point 0 3 and 4 0. Drawing the line and taking up 0 0 for checking which side is to be shaded. It comes out that 0 is greater than or equal to 12, which is wrong. Hence, the side opposite to 0 0 is being shaded. Now x is greater than or equal to 0. That means the positive x is only to be taken up. Y greater than or equal to 1. So for that, y equal to 1 line is drawn. And as y is greater than or equal to 1, all the points above 1 is to be taken up. Now if the common region is to be checked, then this is the common region where the solution lies. For x, we cannot take the negative side. So negative side, the shaded area should not go. Only towards the positive side of x, it should remain. So this is the open area, open common region for all the 4 inequalities. 13th one, the inequality given is 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60, y greater than or equal to 2x, x greater than or equal to 3 and y greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0 means only the positive direction of or the positive values of y is to be taken up. Beginning with the first line, taking 0 0 in both, the first point that we got is 0 and 20. Next point is 15 and 0 if y is 0. Now drawing the line by taking the first inequality 0, 20 and 15, 0. Line is drawn and 0, 0 is being taken up to check which side is to be shaded. So as 0, 0 is satisfied here, all the arrows are pointing towards 0 for this line. Y greater than or equal to 2x. So drawing the line for that, the first point taken is 0, 0, and if x is 10, y will be 20. So this line passes through the origin. So 0, 0 cannot be taken as one of the point for checking. So we have selected from either of the side one point should be taken. So the point selected over here is 5, 0, which is lying on the x-axis, and it is lying over here this side of the line. Keeping in the inequality, we get 0 is greater than or equal to 10, which is not correct. So the opposite side is being shaded. So the arrows are being drawn opposite to 5, 0 point. X greater than or equal to 3. So drawing the line x equal to 3, it will be all the points towards right of 3 is to be taken up as x is greater than or equal to 3. So if you check it, this triangle will be the common region of all the three lines. 14th one, the inequality given is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 150 and x plus 4y less than or equal to 80, x is less than or equal to 15, and y greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 0 means only the positive x and y. Taking up the points 0 and 0 for x and y, we get y as 75 when x is 0, x is 50 when y is 0. So here the points are being taken in the difference of 10. So plotting the points 0, 75 and 50, 0, drawing the line, checking for which side is to be shaded by taking 0, 0. It satisfies the inequality, hence the arrows are pointing towards 0, 0. Second line is x plus 4y less than or equal to 80. Taking up x equal to 0, y is 20. If y is 0, x is 80. So drawing the line 0, 20 and 80, 0. Again taking 0, 0 for deciding which side is to be shaded. 0, 0 satisfies the inequality. So the side towards 0 is to be shaded. It is being shown with the help of the arrows which side is to be shaded. Now x is less than or equal to 15. The line x equal to 15 is drawn passing exactly from 15. It is a vertical line perpendicular to x-axis. X is less than or equal to 15 means all the points towards left. So if you see the common area, this quadrilateral is a common area, and as y is greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 0, the common area will be lying only in the first quadrant, because in first quadrant x and y both are positive, and that condition is already given here. 15th one, the inequality given is x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. Taking up x as 0, y is 5, y 0, x is 10. So drawing the line, zero, 5 and 10, 0. Then checking for 0, 0. The inequality is getting satisfied. So the area towards 0, 0 is being shaded. The arrows are pointing towards 0, 0. Then for the second inequality, x plus y greater than or equal to 1, taking up the values of x and y as 0, 0, we get one of the point as 0, 1, another one is 1, 0. Plotting it on the graph, the line x plus y equal to 1 is this one. Taking up 0, 0 for checking the shaded area or the region, 0 greater than or equal to 1 we got, which is not correct. Hence the opposite side is to be shaded for this line. Taking up the third equation, x minus y less than or equal to 0. Taking up the points, if x is 0, y will be 0. If x is 4, y is going to be 4. So the line passes through the origin. Now to check which side is to be shaded, we cannot take 0, 0 here. So the point taken is 3, 0 from the x-axis. Keeping in the inequality, we get 3 minus 0 less than or equal to 0. 3 less than or equal to 0 is not correct. Hence, the opposite side is being shaded for this line. Now if you see the common region, this will be the common area. Here the second quadrant is not to be shaded. It is a bounded region completely with y-axis. So this is the area to be shaded and is a common area for all the lines.